B&B social media is a powerful tool for owners, and I'm going to share how to use it effectively to attract more guests and build a loyal following. Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. In the modern world of hospitality, social media and review platforms are essential tools for attracting guests. Whether it's through Instagram posts that showcase your property's charm or glowing reviews on TripAdvisor, a strong presence on these platforms can help boost your B&B's visibility and drive bookings. In this episode, I'm going to cover the best practices for using social media to engage with potential guests and how to encourage positive reviews on platforms like TripAdvisor and Google. So why does social media matter for your B&B? With over 4 billion people using social media worldwide, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest have become crucial for marketing a B&B. Social media gives you a chance to showcase your property, highlight guest experiences, and engage directly with potential customers. You want to showcase your B&B's personality. Social media is a great way to show off what makes your B&B unique. Use photos, videos, and posts to highlight the cozy atmosphere of your rooms, the delicious breakfasts you prepare, or the stunning local scenery. Unlike a formal website, social media allows you to inject personality into your content, making your bed and breakfast feel more approachable and memorable. You can engage with your audience. Social media isn't just about posting pretty pictures. It's about building relationships with your audience, responding to comments, answering questions, and sharing guest testimonials all help foster a sense of community. Engaging with your followers makes them more likely to book a stay because they feel connected with you and your B&B. One B&B owner I know posts weekly pet guests of the week on Instagram, showcasing dogs, cats, and even a pet parrot. These posts are a hit with her followers, many of whom end up booking because they know their pets are welcome. Are you dreaming of running your own bed and breakfast but feel overwhelmed by where to start? Or maybe you're already an owner looking to take your B&B to the next level. Welcome to the Mastering B&B Management, comprehensive guide to starting, running, and growing your bed and breakfast. This course is a comprehensive roadmap for aspiring and current bed and breakfast owners, featuring 5 modules packed with actionable strategies, expert insights, and interactive resources. Click the link below to start your journey to bed and breakfast success and turn your dream into a reality. Don't wait. Your guests are already waiting for you. So what are some best practices for social media platforms? Well, each social media platform offers unique opportunities for B&B owners. And let's check out how you can make the most of the 3 most popular platforms: Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Instagram is a visual platform. It's perfect for showcasing your B&B's aesthetics. Share high-quality photos of your rooms, common areas, or surrounding landscape. You can also post short videos or stories featuring behind-the-scenes glimpses, such as prepping breakfast or tidying up a cozy reading nook. Post consistently. Aim to post a few times a week to keep your audience engaged. Regular posts help you stay on top of mind with potential guests. Use hashtags like #bedandbreakfast, #B&B getaway, or hashtags specific to your location like #stayincornwall to reach a broader audience. Promote special offers. If you're running a seasonal promotion or offering a discount for direct bookings, Instagram is a great place to spread the word. Facebook. Use it to connect with your community. Facebook allows you to engage with guests more personally. Create posts that highlight local events, share guest reviews, and post updates about what's happening at your B&B. You can also use Facebook ads to target people interested in traveling to your area. Encourage guest interaction. Ask followers questions, post polls, or share stories to encourage interaction. Run Facebook ads. Facebook's advertising tools allows you to target specific demographics such as travelers in your area or people interested in weekend getaways. Share guest experiences. Share photos or stories from happy guests, with their permission of course, showing how much they enjoyed their stay. Pinterest. This platform is used to inspire travel dreams. Pinterest is a powerful platform for inspiring travelers who are planning stages of their trips. You can create boards featuring different aspects of your B&B, like cozy room ideas, best B&B breakfasts, or top things to do near your location. This is a great way to capture the attention of travelers looking for inspiration. Create beautiful boards that showcase your B&B style, local attractions, or travel tips. Use professional quality images to draw in viewers. Link back to your website. Every pin should link back to your website, encouraging visitors to learn more and book a stay. Encourage positive reviews on review platforms. Online reviews are critical for B&Bs. Many travelers won't book a place to stay without first reading reviews on platforms like TripAdvisor, Google, or Booking.com. In fact, a few great reviews can dramatically improve bookings, while negative reviews can have the opposite effect. Ask for reviews from happy guests, and don't be shy about asking after their stay. Most happy guests will be glad to do so if asked politely. You can send them a follow-up email after checkout with a link to your preferred review platform, making it easy for them to leave feedback. I know a B&B owner that includes a thank you card with each guest's bill, asking them to leave a review on TripAdvisor if they enjoyed their stay. This simple request has led to a steady stream of glowing reviews that help keep her bookings full year-round. Make sure you respond to those reviews. Whether the review is positive or negative, always respond. Thank your guests for their positive feedback and address any concerns mentioned in negative reviews. A polite, professional response to a negative review shows potential guests that you take their concerns seriously and are committed to improving. I heard of one guest that left a review at a B&B saying, "The pancakes were too fluffy." The B&B owner responded by promising to add a little extra dose of gravity next time and thanked the guests for their feedback. Guests loved the playful tone, and the review ended up attracting more bookings. Highlight your reviews. Share your best reviews on social media and your website. Positive reviews act as testimonials that show potential guests what others have enjoyed about your bed and breakfast. They also build trust, helping undecided guests feel confident about booking with you. Track your online reputation. Maintain a strong online presence isn't just about posting content or encouraging reviews. It's about tracking how your B&B is perceived online. Here's some tips for monitoring and improving your online reputation. Use Google Alerts. Set up Google Alerts for your B&B's name so that you'll be notified whenever someone mentions your business online. Track your social media mentions. Monitor your social media accounts for mentions and tags from guests. This is an easy way to stay connected and engage with people who shared their experiences. Review analytics. Use analytics tools on Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Profile to track your engagement and see what's working. This can help fine-tune your social media and review strategies. Does the thought of dissecting figures and devising plans for your bed and breakfast make you want to hit snooze? Wake up to our exciting offers. Get your hands on our complimentary Crafting the Perfect Stay 25 Essential Insights for Bed and Breakfast Owners PDF. It's the adrenaline kick your business strategy needs, filled with essential tips and tricks. Claim your guide today and elevate your B&B from just a place to sleep to a memorable experience. How do you use social media or reviews to promote your bed and breakfast? Share your strategies in the comments. Leveraging social media and review platforms is essential for growing your bed and breakfast and building a loyal customer base. By creating engaging social media content, encouraging positive reviews, and actively managing your online reputation, you can attract more guests and keep your B&B fully booked. And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.